Hey guys, it's Drew here with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks, and today we are driving the Tesla. So today we're using the self-drive, the complete auto self-drive. And as you can see, the wheel is moving itself and we're stopping at lights. This thing is awesome. So what I want to do today is tell you guys who are Tesla owners basically how to not worry about touching the steering wheel all the time. See how it's turning blue like this? Normally you have to tap the wheel. Well, I'm just going to adjust the cruise control with this right button here, and you just have to use one finger, just like that. Just tap the cruise control, which is this toggle knob right here, and the car says you're still there. That, to me, that's so much easier than constantly grabbing the wheel, and sometimes it deactivates automatic self-drive. So if you're a Tesla owner, you will know I've had a ton of bugs with automatic self-drive, so please be safe and by all means pay attention. I can't tell you how many times I've had to take control where this car is driving and it doesn't know where to go. It'll run in, it's almost hit a pedestrian once or twice. It's really scary sometimes. Sometimes it'll just slam on the brakes. So if you're also a Tesla owner, I'm sure you can relate. So again, we're gonna hit that cruise control button and I don't have to do it. Now, here's an interesting situation, just so you know, this is the stop sign and it does see the cars coming here. So, you know, this feature works, but you got to be careful. I'm telling you, it's a trust situation, like a relationship. Like right there, it just shot in front of that car and I had to hit the gas. So if you panic, you can always hit the brake or you can slam on the gas. Here's a biker. Let me pay attention here. This is nerve-wracking when it gets like this. So again, we're going to slow down, and it's doing okay with the biker. When I first started driving this here in Wrightsville Beach, it would see a biker or a pedestrian, the car would stop in its tracks. So I do believe this car is a form of artificial intelligence, and it's learning as I drive it on the same route. And you can always hit that bug report button. You tap this button down and you say bug report, and when you use the voice command and say or report bug, it will actually report the issue. Here's another nervous point. See this curb here? Occasionally it's wanting to hit that. Nope, we got around that. So there we go. We just stopped in the middle of traffic because the car wasn't sure where to go. Hey, you guys saw it. So yeah, we've got some problems with the auto drive, self-drive. Tesla's still not perfect. So always pay attention when you're driving, because this thing could just at a moment's notice just swerve off the road, try to make a right or left turn without letting you know. I love this technology. I feel like I'm a test pilot for Elon Musk. I think he should be paying me to do these tests. But we do have the button pushed on our Tesla where we send data in to let Tesla know when there's an error. And they obviously have continuous video while we're driving this. You can shut that off, but I don't have it shut off, so that when I report a bug, they can rewind that and see what happened. So I really wish Tesla for Autopilot would work with Google Maps, because the maps are terrible and it doesn't know where to go. So I'll do some more videos on Tesla Autopilot, but I just thought I'd show you guys today for my subscribers too. Tesla's a pretty fun car to drive. It's like having a little toy. It's very different, and you know, so stay tuned. I'm going to do more videos on how to deal with this Tesla. But again, this is just your advice for the Tesla owners to tap that cruise control button, and Tesla will say, hey, there's a person driving. You don't have to tap the wheel. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.